Did you know that 600,000 men marched into Russia with Napoleon, but only 120,000 would ever see home again? In 1812, the Grande Armée crossed into Russia as the most powerful force Europe had ever seen. But when they reached Moscow in September, the city was empty and burning. No glorious victory, no surrender, just smoke and ashes. Then winter arrived early with brutal force. Temperatures dropped to minus 40 degrees as Cossack raiders attacked the exhausted troops daily. The retreat became a nightmare beyond imagination. Soldiers froze to death while still marching, their bodies left scattered across the frozen wasteland. Starving men turned to cannibalism just to survive another day. At the Berezina River crossing, thousands drowned in the icy waters trying to escape. Then came the ultimate betrayal. Napoleon abandoned his dying army and fled back to Paris to save his throne. This single campaign shattered his myth of invincibility forever, leading directly to his defeat at Waterloo.